Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about how list items are going to be printed by help of the while loop. Okay, very easy. Just like for loop, while loop also used for the printing the number of items which will be present inside the list. Because list is the array and the items of an array you can access by help of the while loop. Okay, so it helps mostly because inside the array the indices are generally accessed and helps to print on a console. So how I am going to use, let's see. List 1 equal to, I am here mix with float int values 2 3 4 comma 1.2 comma 1.3 comma 1.5, then apple comma mango, mango. Okay, then for loop, and inside the not for loop, here I am going to use while loop. While I in, sorry, I am not in, this is the for loop concept. I less than len of list 1 colon, okay, print list 1 of index, then I equal to I plus 1, or you have to write in this way. Okay, so let's see what is the next values are going to be print by help of the while loop. Yes, it's a print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and that's it. Then 1.2 1.3 1.5, then go for the apple and mango. So this is the way while helps you to print the items which are present inside the list. Very easy. You have to remember two functions when you are going to use for loop. There is two functions, range function and length function. Very easiest way, you know, that is x. For x in list, that print x. Otherwise you go for the index. With index there is some different. So when you are going for index, it will be length and range. Two functions are general mostly important. And while, inside the while also there is a length function is important because it counted the range number of elements which are present inside the list. Means what is the meaning here? Here I equal to 0 less than length. Length here stands for, that is the number of elements. What are the number of elements? 4. There is a 4, then 3 7, then 2 9. So here length is line. But how? Because the list which are of list object contains 9 items, and the length function helps you to reach that particular range. Means starting from the I less than that line. Okay, and it will be helps you to increment the I value by I plus equal to 1. What is the meaning of here? I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. This is the meaning. Okay, understand how for while loop is going to be work. You already understood how for loop is going to work in previous videos. So after, if you have there any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.